If you're watching this with credit card bills, loan stress, or that constant fear of money, stop scrolling. Debt is not just stealing your money, it's stealing your peace, your sleep, and your future. Today, I'll show you a clear, step-by-step plan to get out of debt fast, even if you feel stuck right now. Welcome to Econiqo, finance made simple. No fake motivation, no overnight miracles, just real proven money strategies that work in real life. Let's fix your debt, starting now. Step 1, face the debt. The first reason people stay in debt is simple, they avoid it. Action, write down every debt, credit cards, personal loans, car loans, balance, interest rate, minimum payment. Debt feels scary when it's hidden. Once it's on paper, you're back in control. Step 2, stop creating new debt. You cannot dig yourself out of a hole while still digging. Rules, stop using credit cards except true emergencies. Remove saved cards from apps. Switch to cash or debit. This step isn't about punishment. It's about stopping the bleeding. Step 3, choose the right payoff method. Option 1, debt snowball. Pay smallest debt first. Quick wins, motivation. Option 2, debt avalanche. Pay highest interest first. Saves more money long term. Both work. The best one is the one you'll stick with. Step 4, create a temporary survival budget. Debt freedom requires short-term sacrifice. Do this for 3 to 6 months. Cut eating out. Pause subscriptions. Reduce lifestyle expenses. You're not broke, you're rebuilding. Step 5, build a mini emergency fund. Debt plus no savings. Panic. Goal, save $501,000. Prevents going back into debt. This fund protects your progress. Step 6, increase income. Cutting expenses helps, but income accelerates freedom. Ideas, overtime, extra shifts, freelancing, selling unused items. Every extra dollar has one job, kill debt. The strong conclusion plus motivation. Debt freedom doesn't happen overnight, but it starts today with one decision. Imagine a life with no debt, no stress, and full control over your money. That life is possible if you commit. If this video helped you even a little, like it. It tells YouTube to show this to more people who need it. Subscribe to Econiqo for real money education, and comment debt-free if you want a full beginner money plan next. Disclaimer, this video is for educational purposes only. Always do your own research before making financial decisions.